This video is intended to show the user how to utilize the AHRI wizard in the proposal program. First thing you're going to do is go in the admin and then go into the My Info area. Scroll down to the bottom, you're going to notice one that says, a link that says View AHRI Search Defaults. Click on that. Once you've clicked on that, this is going to be the criteria that you're going to deliver back to the proposal based on what quality category there is. Do not be afraid to make these ranges very wide, not so narrow. The narrower they are, the less search results you get. Next, come down and you're going to see a special parts kits area. This area will allow you to be able to add individual ancillary items per quality category, whereas the included services will add it for all four. You can add these for just one. So once you've made sure these are correct, click Save, and it will take you back to, we want to go to the Proposal tab, and then you'll see here where it says Create Proposal. We're going to click on that. Before, what you would have seen would be a list of templates, but now you have the option to build from AHRI or use a template. In this video, we're going to do Build from AHRI. So we'll click on that. I'm going to type in test 7-28. I'm going to type in my brand, and I'm going to type in heat pump with air handling unit. You notice there are several applications and whatever brands are available to you, and click Get Started. So now if I had a height or width or depth restriction, I could enter it here. So let's say I had 55-inch tall air handler that I couldn't do anything larger than that. It will not show me anything larger than 55. But I don't have anything, you can leave them blank, so it'll show everything. So we're going to go 32,000 minimum, 39,000 maximum. We're going to scroll down a little bit. We're going to put 1 unit of labor, and we're going to click Next Step. So now what you'll do is this next step is going to be choosing the quality category and the cooling stages. So we're going to go Infinity Inverter, Infinity 2-stage. We're going to go Performance Single Stage and Comfort Single Stage. And you'll notice here the search criteria has come over from the defaults area. I'm going to click Next Step. So now my outdoor unit, my indoor unit, I'm going to type in, or to the drop down here will give me this outdoor unit with this corresponding indoor unit. I can actually type in here SYS. It will give me what's available for controllers. I can even type in a heater here if I wanted to. Alright, and you'll notice it also gives me the corresponding AHRI numbers for those matchups. So now I'm going to come down to the next level, quality 2, and click, let's use this outdoor unit and this indoor unit. And let's type in again SYS. We'll use a non-Wi-Fi thermostat. Then we're going to type in CE. Alright, we'll come down here to quality level 3. Gives me my indoor unit. And let's use an FX air handler. And then I'm going to type in TP PRH. I'm going to type in CE for a heater. And I'm going to go to my very last level. Is going to be a 25 HCD 336 with an FB4 42. I'll type in TC for a controller, and then let's type in here CE05. Now I can click Next Step, and at this point I can add my heat pump materials kit or gas furnace materials kit, maybe a line set. Perhaps my best and better model needed a line set, but my budget and my good were good on the sizing. If I like this particular proposal, I can click Create as a Template. So maybe I say 3-ton heat pump 7-28. This will be for future use. And then I'm going to scroll down and click Edit Proposal. And when I click Edit Proposal, now I'm going to select my customer. I'm going to select my sales rep. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see my AHRI numbers are here, and I'm going to click Save. All of the data that comes over from the defaults area, like the minimum or the commission, the buy down rate, the gross margin, all will affect the price based on the cost of goods sold and what you put into it. So now I simply click right here, and it will show my best model, my payment. It shows my AHRI numbers for the system, what are my special inclusions. You'll notice down here I didn't put a line set on this one, so it's not listing it, but it is listing the materials kit. I can click on this brochure right here. It will pull up the brochure for that system. So your customer can see brochures, and as you email the proposal to them, the links for the brochures actually will appear for them to be able to view. It takes just a minute for it to load. It's loading as a PDF. So there you go. So this concludes my video on the proposal.